While I'm personally not vegan, this recipe has made it into my weekly rotation, I would say about twice to 3 times a week. This Korean vegetable pancake has everything you would have wanted. It's both warm and you can also get a bunch of your nutrients in, so I hope you enjoy. Well, you could, strong emphasis on could, cut these pieces all into matchstick pieces. I personally prefer my mandolin. I'll insert a link below, and I use like this sort of attachment. Honestly, I don't know what it's called, but either way, use a mandolin if you have one. Then I started out with my zucchini. I personally use zucchini as the base because I think this makes like the best pancake ever. And there's also like this little thing that you could do to hold it. I normally don't do it. I know it's probably bad for my fingers, and as you can see with literally everything I cut up, it's really hard for me, but that's okay. Then I add also some pepper and some carrot. I would cut this in half just so it's easier in a smaller piece to use. And as you can see, this vegetable I had the hardest time with. It took so much strength and energy. And then after that I did like a jalapeno, which honestly took no energy at all. It was so fun to do. And then I just did a little bit of onion. This onion piece was really small, so I tried my best to protect my fingers, and I was not successful. Then I took out my flour. I did like about 0.35 cups, or I don't know, that's like 6 tablespoons. And then I added some turmeric. I saw a recipe that said this is for eggy flavor, but I don't know, I just think it looks cool. And then I added roughly equal parts water, and then I used chopsticks. You could of course use like a spoon, but I just thought chopsticks seemed like really fun and everything. And then I just added a little bit more water, a little bit over 6 tablespoons, just because I wanted it to be like all combined. Y'all, this is really embarrassing, but y'all need to add your vegetables in this step. I forgot to film this part. And then I just turned on a pan on like medium heat, and then I added my mixture. My mixture was pretty good. You want to spread it out and make it look like a pancake, because of course it's just like a bunch of veggies. And then I'm literally so proud of this. This is my first amazing flip on camera. Let's just watch. Okay, perfect, beautiful. And I did like a flip on both sides around 3 minutes in, and then I removed it from heat, and that's my final product. Then I normally just serve this with a sauce. I was so proud of myself. Normally when I'm done with this recipe, I normally serve it with like some hoisin sauce, or just like you can do like a really good mixture of like just some sesame oil and some soy sauce. I hope you enjoy making this recipe as much as I do. Have a wonderful day no matter your situation or location, and don't forget to like and subscribe.